My beloved child, do not be afraid, for I am with you. I see the burdens you carry, the silent battles you fight, and the tears you hold back when no one is watching. But I want you to know, you are never alone. I have been with you from the very beginning, and I will walk with you every step of the way. When the weight of the world feels too heavy, rest in my presence. Let my peace calm your anxious heart, and let my love heal the wounds that life has left behind. I am not far away. I am as close as your breath, closer than your very heartbeat. You may feel weak, but I am your strength. You may feel lost, but I am your guide. You may feel broken, but I am the one who restores. There is no situation beyond my power, no darkness I cannot turn to light. What the enemy meant for harm, I will turn for your good. The storms in your life will not destroy you. They will shape you into someone stronger, wiser, and filled with a faith that cannot be shaken. Do not give up. Do not let fear steal the joy and hope I have placed inside you. I am working behind the scenes, even when you cannot see it. Trust me. Trust my timing. Trust my heart. I have called you by name, and you are mine. No one can take you out of my hands. I have prepared a future for you, filled with purpose and overflowing with my goodness. Walk with me, seek me, and you will find a peace that the world cannot give, and a joy that no one can take away. There are moments in life when the weight of trials feels unbearable, when prayers seem to go unanswered, and when the road ahead appears uncertain. It's in these times that faith is tested, not to break you, but to strengthen you. Every challenge you face is shaping you, refining you like gold in the fire. Even when circumstances don't make sense, there is a purpose unfolding, a plan greater than what can be seen. You were never meant to walk this journey alone, nor were you created to carry every burden on your own. Strength doesn't come from never falling, it comes from rising again, from trusting in something greater than yourself. There is a love that never fades, a peace that cannot be shaken, and a promise that stands firm through every storm. Even now, unseen hands are guiding, unseen doors are preparing to open, and what feels like an ending may actually be the beginning of something beautiful. Type 1111 to claim it. There will be days when doubt whispers lies into your heart, telling you that you are not enough, that your prayers are unheard, that your struggles are in vain. But do not listen. Truth is greater than fear, and hope is stronger than despair. You are not forgotten. Every tear you have cried, every silent prayer you have spoken, every battle you have fought in the quiet places of your heart, none of it has gone unnoticed. There is a divine purpose unfolding, even in the waiting, even in the pain. Seasons of hardship are not signs of abandonment. They are moments of preparation. Just as the soil must be broken before the seed can take root, just as the night must pass before the dawn can break, so too must trials come before the breakthrough. What you are facing now is not the end of your story. So lift your head. Stand firm, keep your faith alive, for the doors that seemed closed forever will open in their appointed time. You are being led towards something greater, something beyond what you can imagine. And when that day comes, you will look back and see that every moment of struggle was shaping you for the blessings that are to come. Type Amen if you agree. Like this video if you believe in God. Subscribe this channel for more videos.